Hello friends, welcome to my channel Talent Pupil. Hi friends, first of all I would like to thank all the selfless and thoughtful blood donors on this occasion. Blood is the base of every human life. This makes the value priceless. Every year, June 14 is celebrated as the World Blood Donor Day. Blood donation is our responsibility towards society. Let's have a short quiz on Blood Donor Day. Question 1. How often or regularly can I donate blood? The options are every 4 months, once a year, every 2 years and every 2 months. The answer is every 4 months. Individuals can safely give blood for every 4 months because blood and its components can be stored only for a limited period of time. Question 2. Which blood group is known as the universal donor? The options are O positive, O negative, A positive and A negative. The answer is O negative because their red blood cells does not contain AB or RH antigens and can be transfused safely to all blood types. Question 3. Which blood group is known as the universal receivers? The options are AB positive, A negative, AB negative and B positive. The answer is AB positive. They can receive blood from any other group. Question 4. Which international organization coordinates the regular donation of blood in several countries? The options are the Red Army, the Salvation Army, the Red Cross and the Blue Cross. The answer is the Red Cross. It is officially known as the International Federation of Red Cross and Crescent Societies. Question 5. The amount and volume of blood collected at one time is 40 milliliters, 1 liter, 5 liters and 450 milliliters. The answer is 450 milliliters. In most countries, the volume taken is 450 milliliters. The lost fluid is replaced by the body within 3 hours. Question 6. How old do you have to be donate blood? The options are 14, 12, 16 and 18. The answer is 18. A donor must ensure that his or her age is between 18 to 65 years and weight is more than 45 kgs. Question 7. Is donated blood generally stored at room temperature? Only 2 options, yes or no. Yes, the answer is no. Blood is kept at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, 35 to 46 degree Fahrenheit. It keeps around 6 weeks. Question 8. What is the theme for World Donor Day 2021? The options are Be there for someone else, Save blood saves life, Give blood and keep the world beating, Give blood, give now, give often. The answer is Give blood and keep the world beating. This highlights the contribution of blood donors. Question 9. Whose birth anniversary is celebrated on June 14 as World Blood Donor Day? The options are William Harvey, Karl Landsteiner, Gregor Mendel and Robert Hooke. The answer is Karl Landsteiner. It is celebrated on the birth anniversary of Karl Landsteiner, who won the Nobel Prize for his discovery of the ABO blood group system. The last question of the quiz. The World Blood Donor Day was firstly initiated in which year? The options are 2008, 2012, 2004 and 2002. The answer is 2004. It was started in the year of 2004 aiming to raise public awareness by WHO and the Red Cross. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.